Meditation is an ancient wellness practice that focuses on training awareness, attention, and compassion. In recent years, research has found that meditation can reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and concentration, and increase feelings of calm and relaxation. Meditation originated in Eastern wellness traditions, such as Ayurvedic practices in India, or traditional medicine therapies in China and Japan. However, it's now practiced across the world and is growing in popularity in Western cultures. For example, in the US, the use of meditation increased by more than 3 times from 2012 to 2017. Research has found that meditation can have many health benefits, such as better focus and concentration, improve self-esteem and self-awareness, reduce stress, help manage anxiety or depression, fight addiction, control pain, promote altruistic behavior. Because there are varying practices across cultural, spiritual, and religious traditions, there are lots of ways to meditate. Some common types of meditation include a body scan, walking meditation, loving kindness meditation, or mindfulness meditation. So we can say that meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as mindfulness, or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, to train attention and awareness, and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state.